Welcome to Legacy Lab, where sociology explains why you are polite on email, feral in group chats, and deeply confused in public spaces. Today's topic is roles. Not movie roles. Not sushi rolls. Social roles. In sociology, a role is a set of behaviors, expectations, and responsibilities attached to a social status. Basically, society hands you a script and says, improv, but don't embarrass us. For example, when you are an employee, your role includes punctuality, professionalism, and pretending the meeting could have been an email. When you are a friend, your role includes emotional support, inside jokes, and showing up with snacks instead of solutions. Same human? Different roles? Different behavior? Roles explain why your personality shape-shifts. For example, on the phone with your manager, you say, "Yes, absolutely, I can do that right away." On the phone with your sibling, you say, "No, because that is your problem, that is not fake." That is role switching. Roles come with expectations. If a doctor starts scrolling through their phone during an appointment, people panic. If a patient scrolls their phone during the appointment, nobody blinks. Same action, different role, different reaction. Now, let's talk about role conflict. That is when two roles demand opposite things at the same time. As an example, you are a caregiver, but also an employee. Someone you care for needs you. Your workplace needs you too. Okay. That stress you feel is not a personality flaw. It is structural pressure. Then there is role strain. That is when one role has too many expectations packed into it. Think of managers. They lead, motivate, and mediate conflicts. Hit targets, answer emails, smile constantly, and somehow have work-life balance. One role. Endless expectations. Did you know? The word role comes from theater. Sociologists borrowed it because social life really does feel like a performance, except there is no rehearsal and everyone judges silently. Roles are also learned. No one is born knowing how to act professional on Zoom. You learn it by watching others, adjusting your behavior, and recovering from awkward moments you replay forever. Roles also shift by culture. What is expected of a parent, partner, leader, or elder in one society may be completely different in another. So roles are not about being fake. They are about navigating expectations. You are not inconsistent. You are socially fluent. Subscribe to Legacy Lab because clearly society already assigned you enough roles. One more won't hurt.